recently purchased these rugs. Now it comes with two. It comes with the longer one, which is about 47 inches long by 26, and then a doormat. Now as you can see, they did come folded, so I know it's going to take a week or so for them to relax, but I just wanted to make a note on that. And what I needed is, because my floors are all tile, I needed a rug that would not slip or slide. And let me zoom in on the bottom of this. As you can see, there's little tiny dots, and that prevents the rugs from slipping and sliding on my tile floor. Now these are very cushioned, and that's also why I liked them. And it comes in a couple colors, and I selected the gray color. And one of the most important things is that these rugs are washable. So I can throw them in the wash machine. And let me zoom in again, because I want to show you the tight weave of these rugs. So there's a little bit of gray, tan, and cream, and it's a tight weave. So based on that, I know it's going to put up with a lot of wear and tear. And I'm really happy with the purchase and the quality of these rugs. And they also have some stain resistant properties, which is important. So in case I spill or drop something, this padding will protect it so it will not go on my tile floor. And I highly recommend these rugs.